Have you run into these common bending headaches? Poor precision when bending thick plates, hydraulically stuck valves causing frequent downtime, wobbly back doors slowing down mass production. Hans Laser HBS Electro-hydraulic Servo bending machine solves your processing challenges with robust craftsmanship. Key components of the machine frame undergo finite element analysis with optimized structures enabling more rational stress distribution across the machine tool. Constructed from high-strength steel and integrated machined in a single clamping on imported boring and milling machines, it ensures structural rigidity right from the source. The RAM is vertically machined and processes, including pre-machining, natural aging, and secondary finishing, are adopted to guarantee its precision and service life. The oil tank, oil pump, and motor are highly integrated with optimized pipeline connections. It adopts pipe-filling oil return design without throttling, which effectively boosts operating speed and reduces heat generation. Rapid descent, 225 mm per second. Working feed, 15 to 17 mm. Rim return, 200 mm per second, with 20% higher working efficiency. Thickened oil-resistant stainless steel fuel tank, corrosion-resistant, and antioxidant, reducing the risk of valve jamming from the source. Adopt precision machining process to eliminate internal welding stress. Features a high-strength structural steel design for superior rigidity, followed by precision machining. Equipped with a dual linear guide system, it boasts excellent anti-collision performance and consistently maintains uniform bending dimensions over long-term operation. Equipped with the IFT CNC system and a high-sensitivity capacitive touchscreen that supports multi-touch, it offers both product database and 2D graphical programming capabilities. It is simple and user-friendly, allowing operators to get up to speed quickly, while also providing extensive expansion functions. Three color status indicator lights display the machine tool operating status in real time to realize visual management of safe production. Suitable for sheet metal processing industries such as catering, kitchenware, cabinet and enclosure, and metal doors and windows.